Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be repairing a front bumper corner on a LC500, a Lexus LC500, and it is a 3-stage red, and it got bumped down here and scratched up underneath the bumper as well. And I'm going to be shooting this entire corner. I can't really keep it small and blend it tiny because it is a 3-stage red. And here I've got everything straightened out, round down. The bottom had a little bit of a split in it, so I had to melt it back together and put a support bracket inside. Here I've got everything primered, ready to sand down. I've got the base color mixed along with the mid coat, and it's kind of like a copper type of base. And the paint coat again is 3T5, and it's got a transparent red over top of it that makes it glow when the sunlight hits it. So the sunlight penetrates the mid coat, hits the base coat, and then bounces back through, making that color really glow. So here I've got everything prepped, ready to paint. I just have one little area at the top right for my spray out card, and here is just the base color with that kind of rose copper look. It's very difficult to pick up in the on camera here, but that's just how it looks laid out with the base. And now I've got one coat of the mid coat on there. As you can see, it's getting a little bit richer in color, and it needs a little bit more. So basically, if I got 3 coats of mid coat and it matches, I'm gonna have to put 3 coats on the car. And this is where everything matched. I had a very difficult time to get it to lay out correctly with the camera, but the color matched pretty much spot on. So here I've got the base color shot and blended up. Alright, I've got all of the mid coat on, blended up, and now it's time for the clear coat. And I'm doing this repair out here in the desert. It's December, and it's maybe about 65-70 degrees, and it's in direct sunlight, but I'm still using a slower reducer, so I'm able to shoot it out in direct sunlight. Otherwise, any warmer, I'd have to be in the shade. There's no way I could shoot this clear coat on, and then the second coat, it would end up wrinkling up on me. And I try to shoot everything nice and wet up underneath as well. That way, if you get the car up in the air to do an oil change, it doesn't look all like orange peel underneath. It's not really detectable that the repair has been done. And right here, I'm smoking in my blend now, so I don't have to worry about it later. Keeping each layer wet, back and forth, back and forth. And I'm spraying at a very high pressure and very close, so it kind of atomizes that clear coat. Very nice. And make sure to get that little lip on the back side very wet as well. Again, trying to make it look like it has not been repaired. Anyone can do a repair. The trick is to make it look like it has not been repaired. If this person goes to sell the car later on and they do an inspection, it's going to be very hard for them to detect that it has been painted. That's why this repair took about 4.5 to around 5 hours to complete. And here's kind of a close-up. I did a little bit of buffing. I didn't get it on camera. A lot of times I don't like filming the videos because it breaks up my concentration. But I did do a little bit of wet sanding to flatten everything out a little bit more, and then buffed it up. A very rich color. Unfortunately, because of the angle of the sun, when I'm finished, you can't see the richness of it, but believe me, it's there. So that's about it, and if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. And thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.